Okay, my dear children, another one activity Hindi is there. All of you open the Hindi notes. Okay, take your Hindi notes and write, say and write properly these letters. Dear children, this is sh letter. Okay, sh, षट्कोण, s, सड़क, हल, क्षत्रिय, त्र नेत्र, ज्ञ ज्ञानी. Dear children, sh षटकोण one page, s sadak one page, hal one page, kshatriya one page, tra netra one page, jna jnani one page. Dear children, sh to jna letters, all letters in one page. Last, okay. First you should write one page, one letter. First one letter, one page. Individual writing. Sh one षटकोण one page, sa sadak one page, and hal one page, kshatriya one page, and thra netra one page, jna jnani one page. And next then write sh to jna letters in one page, all letters in one page, this type. Okay, this type. Okay, totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 page, and sh to jna all letters in one page, total 7 page. Okay, 7 page your Hindi homework. Okay, dear children, complete these letters and submit me.